A blessed day everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to mate bishop and knight mate using the mating net. So we have two kinds of mating net, and this is the first net, and we have the second net. So let's proceed with the mating procedures. If the black king goes to c8, then he will fall for the W maneuver that I uploaded yesterday. So if he goes to d8, then it will be a different story and we'll mate it through the mating net. Then with king to e6, and after king to c7 by black, the knight goes to d7. Now it looks like that the black king escapes from the last rank and will try to escape at king to c6 and will escape at the square b5. So the white will prevent it with bishop to d3, pushing the black king to go back to its mating net. Now bishop to b5. Now black king will try to escape the e8, so he will move to king to d8, but white will prevent it by moving its knight to b6, knight to b6. So black has no other choice than to move to its king to c7, and after knight to d5 check, black king will go back to d8, and white king goes to c7, f7, then black king goes to c8, and the white king gets the opposition with king to e8. The black king pushes towards the corner. Now king to b8 and king to d8, king to b7, now king to d7. Now the bishop can go to a6, so king to a7, then bishop to c8, king to b8, then king to d8, and after king to c7, it's the last final net. The king will go to a8 and the knight will go to b5 and just 2 moves away from mate, and after king to a7, knight to c6, and bishop to b7 mate. So that's it, bishop and knight mate using mating net, and thank you for watching.